Abantu abangene. Kodwa ke ex yami iyaphi
Hayi
Nkosi
bo
yami?
ngisanda ngena lana ngisanda ngena babhayi futhi ungishaya.
Awusahambi-ke Nkosi yami. Lalela-ke, lalela mama.
Awungeke.
Njengamanje sodlala igame
Hayi
kuzonyiwa
ngeke
wani.
ufuna ukungishaya. Mina
Ngeke nginabantu abancane.
unamanga uqaphela
Ngiyakutshela serious.
ngingena manje bese ku-live cabanga manje.
Okay, asizame.
Hawu ngingena manje kodwa hayi very wrong. Hayi
Wadliwe ex yami. Ngiyakuthanda mama. Yo.
hayi cha unesidida shame.
Ukuthi intombazane ningamnceni. KO. KO
Hayi
mama
kodwa
please.
mina ngingena manje uyangiroba.
Ngiyayazi ukuthi ngikuthanda kanjani mama. Lalela buka. KO.
Yazi phetha akunasibuku kanjani.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Me talking English, love you so much.
I'm also speaking English.
Yes, can I please have a game with you so I can... You.
Hey, Mo.
Nayogi game.
Who are you?
It's me now speaking from South Africa. I'm Chris Brown. I'm Chris Brown from South Africa.
Oh, okay, Chris Brown from South Africa.
Yes, I am Chris Brown. So this game, we want to play this game. So Mina now, if I eat you, I will eat you for life, Mama. Are you good?
You know me?
I know you.
Really?
Yeah, you are Pinky Pinky. You are my Pinky Pinky. You are my Pinky Pinky, Mama. I love you so much, Mama.
Oh, okay, Papa. Thank you,
That is
Lyle.
why we're wearing pink. Let's just play the game.
Okay, let's play the game.
Yeah, please, my people, eat him fast before he eats me. KO, mfakeni KO, please.
Alles okay daar, jelle man.
Nakho-ke ngicela ukuthi nimngeni bandla kwamanje ngathi akangizwa kahle ngoba mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngiyamthela yena akasho. Please, akadliwe. Fast. Akadliwe fast asimfakeni isosi yakhe. Dinga le. Isosi yakhe. Mnikeni isosi yakhe bandla. Nakho-ke mnikeni isosi yakhe. Nakho akadliwe fast.
Okay.
Mina ngifuna adliwe fast noma athiwa akasho lutho Nkosi yami. Akasho. Yo, you're so beautiful, my love.
Thank you so much.
Yo, you like Nicki Minaj? Yeah. Yo, I know. Akadliwe kunjalo ukuthi udlala ingoma asimdleki. Yabo. Thina simunda noma edlala ingoma sidlala kanjalo. Yo, simunda kusho edlala ingoma. Wow, ngipheni imbali adliwe. Tap on the screen, please. Waphazamisa-ke lo
Para sa
ngaba.
I mean, a joke.
Yo, hey,
Who's
you like a queen, like princess. Hey, mama.
Papa?
Hey. Hey, you smell so good, mama. Yo.
You can smell me.
Yeah, I can smell you through the phone, mama. Yo. You're giving me a heart attack. Yo, I need water now. Hey, boy, give me water. Hey, Bogi. Wembo. Nigga man, if it's too late, give me water. Hey, this one is making me. Yo!
I don't know him. Ask him where is Naledi.
Yo! They're asking Naledi.
Who's Naledi?
Naledi is my wife. He sings songs that say, that is my wife. Yeah, give me water, please. Yo, I'm sweating now because of you. You're making me. Yo. You're so beautiful like Naledi, mama.
Thank you. Oh, Nale. Oh, she's so beautiful. Yo, I know you.
Yeah, you look like him. It's my wife.
Yeah, she's obsessed with Nale.
Check here. In my head, there is Naledi.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, because I love him so much. That is my wife. You see this balloon there is for him. For her, this balloon, the balloon.
So that she know you like her.
Yeah, I know that I love him so much. And I will always love him. I always love her. Ish. Siyabaleka mntana umuntu ungixolele. But asimdleni kunjalo. Faka amagame. Faka lapha imbali. Faka imbali. Unyusa uline. Sikhafe million manje. Sikhafe million please. Nyuka simKO uthi muhle linganyaka. Shayeli. Yo, I'm winning now. So mama, bye-bye. Badichlana basa.
Oh, my friend.
Yo, my beautiful one.
Oh,
Yo, mama.
Ay.
Hey. Yo, hey.
Oh, my mngani wami.
Yo,
Awesome.
hey, I miss you so much, mama.
Awesome, mama.
Yeah, I look beautiful today.
You're always beautiful, mngani.
I'm always like Naledi in my head.
Yazi speaking ngathi uyahlanya ikhanda manje.
Ngathi ngiyahlanya kanti cha, I love you. Mama.
No. Speaking ngathi awusena ngqondo manje. Yekele into le.
Kanti cha, mina vele nginayo.
Awukhuluma ngevoice yakho futhi.
Etisumoya mana. Andlala le game ngisheshe ngikushaye.
Idlala kanjani ngaze laphi mina into le? Hayi speakile. Hayi.
Mana, wema, cishe ngilimazela ulive. Oh, mnganami inkinga yakho ulokhuzi kuvela ilokhuzi. Manje bathi angikhiphe cishe nga-restrictwa futhi. Cishe ahamba ulive wami futhi. Nginceze. Sicishe wahamba futhi. Hey, cishe nga-restrictwa kanzima kabi njengamanje. Othi ngifaka umlungu njengamanje ngimtshele ngesingisi sakhe.